When you search for smart light switches, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Kasa Smart Light Switch HS200P3. Let's kick things off with the Kasa Smart Light Switch HS200P3. This little device caught my attention because it's simple yet effective and is priced at an affordable range. If you want a reliable smart switch that you can control from anywhere, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Kasa Smart Light Switch connects to your home Wi-Fi, allowing you to turn your lights on and off from anywhere using the Kasa app. You can also set schedules, which is perfect for those late nights when you just don't want to get up from the couch. Plus, it supports voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant, meaning you can walk into a room and just say, "Turn on the lights." This switch has been trusted by over 4 million users and is UL certified for safety. Now, some people complained about the need for a neutral wire, which can be a hassle if your home wiring doesn't support it. Here's the thing though, most traditional switches require it too, so if you're upgrading, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward smart switch without unnecessary fuss. Skip this one if you're not comfortable dealing with wiring or don't have a neutral wire in your setup. For the price and reliability, it's a solid investment. Now, if the wiring requirement bothered you, the next product takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, TP-Link Topo Matter Smart Light Switch. Priced at $23.99, this switch caught my eye because it offers compatibility across multiple platforms, which is super handy. If you're looking to simplify your smart home setup, this is definitely worth considering. This switch is designed with Matter compatibility, meaning it works with Apple Home, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings. This is a game changer because it allows you to control all your smart home devices from a single app. Plus, it supports local control, so even if your internet goes down, your lights can still communicate with each other directly. This could be a lifesaver during power outages. However, some users have noted that the app installation can be a bit tricky for those not tech-savvy. I'll be real with you, if you're not comfortable with tech, you might want to get help from someone who is. But once it's set up, it's a breeze. This is perfect for you if you're someone who loves having control over multiple devices in one place. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's plug and play or if you hate dealing with apps. For the price point, it really packs a punch. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for creating that cozy home atmosphere.
Product number 3, Leviton Decora Smart Switch. The Leviton Decora Smart Switch is up next, priced at $29.88. What caught my attention is its sleek design and all-around compatibility with different smart home systems. If you want a stylish yet functional smart switch, this one's for you. You can control this switch from anywhere using your smartphone, so whether you're at home, at work, or on vacation, you can check if your lights are on and adjust them as needed. It also features voice control compatibility, so you can adjust your lighting without lifting a finger. Plus, with built-in scheduling, you'll never come home to a dark house again. This is especially comforting if you're someone who is always worried about safety when you're away. Now, I did notice some users mentioning that the installation process could be a bit confusing, particularly if you're new to smart switches. Here's the thing though, once you've got it set up, it's pretty easy to use, and the benefits far outweigh the initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and stylish switch that works with almost any smart home setup. Skip this one if you want something ultra simple that you can just plug in. For the features offered, it's a solid value. Now, if you're looking for something that adds a bit more control over your lighting, this next one has a dimming feature that might catch your interest.
Product number 4, Kasa Smart Dimmer Switch HS220P3. The Kasa Smart Dimmer Switch HS220P3 priced at $55.99, which isn't the cheapest option, but it offers fantastic features. This caught my eye because of its dimming capabilities, making it ideal for setting the right mood in any room. If you want to control the brightness of your lights, this is a must-have. With this dimmer switch, you can adjust the brightness from 0% to 100% using the Kasa app or the switch itself. Imagine a gentle light waking you up in the morning, or dimming your lights for a cozy movie night. Plus, like the others, it supports voice control, so hands-free operation is a breeze.
Scheduling is another great feature, allowing you to set your lights to turn on or off at specific times. However, one downside is that it also requires a neutral wire, which can be a nuisance for some, but once again, most smart switches do, so it's not unique to this product. If you're upgrading your switches anyway, it's a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you love creating ambiance with your lighting. Skip this one if you're not into dimming features or don't want to deal with wiring. For the price, the versatility it offers is definitely worth it. Now, if you're looking for a more flexible option that can work across multiple locations, the next product offers a different kind of convenience.
Product number 5, Casa Smart 3-Way Switch HS210, priced at $32.99. This caught my eye because it allows you to control your lights from 2 different locations, which is super convenient. If you want flexibility in your lighting control, this one could be the answer. This switch can be used as a 3-way or single-pole switch, which means you can control the same light from 2 places, like at the top and bottom of a staircase. It also comes with the same app-guided install as the others and supports voice control. Scheduling is included too, so you can simulate being home when you're away, which is great for home security. Some users mention that the installation might be tricky if you're not familiar with electrical work. I get that, but if you're already looking at smart switches, you might be okay with a little DIY effort. This is perfect for you if you need to control lights from multiple locations or want a reliable smart switch. Skip this one if you're looking for a straightforward single location switch. For the features packed into this one, it's a solid choice.
So there you have it. We covered the Casa Smart Light Switch HS200P3, TP-Link Tapo-Matter Smart Light Switch, Leviton Decora Smart Switch, Casa Smart Dimmer Switch HS220P3, and the Casa Smart 3-Way Switch HS210. Each has its unique strengths, whether you're looking for affordability, compatibility, dimming capability, or multi-location control. Take your pick based on what fits your needs best.